Because we all know that once we get results, we need to create a conclusion. We have already developed our manipulate variables, our responding variables. We've listed out things that we could control. We created our data table with our manipulated variable and our responding variable. We have filled in our results, and over here we have taken those results and averaged them. We have added the three numbers and divided by 3 to get our average. First thing we have to do is we have to look at our averages and decide whether or not we think this is a valid trial. Was there a significant difference between these results? And once we have that decision, then we can decide whether or not we have a conclusion to make. I think that in this case, when I'm dealing with a difference between 5 and 14 paper clips, and there is an average of 4.5 paper clip difference between them, that's pretty significant. So I feel comfortable that I can conclude that the large magnet has more strength, or it's stronger than a medium magnet, and that it is stronger than a small magnet. I can conclude that as the size of the magnet increases, the strength of the magnet increases. So I'm going to go ahead and write a conclusion, and I'm actually going to write a really bad conclusion first of all, and then I'm going to show you how you can change it to be a better conclusion. So my conclusion, I conclude that the big magnet is better than better because it holds more. Okay, I call that a bad conclusion because it doesn't tell me what it's better than. I don't know what better is, what it's prettier, it's fancier, it's more magnetic. I don't know what better means. Okay, so we have to have, first of all, we have to have it better than something, and then we have to define better. And then I have to tell why it holds more. Okay, well, holds more what? So let's go back and let's see if we can adjust this. The other thing that I've told you over and over again is you have to have data. So let's put that in here. I conclude that the larger a magnet, I can't spell today, magnet is, the stronger it is, because a large magnet holds or attracts 14 paper clips, and if we want to be real specific, we'll say attracts an average of 14 paper clips, and a small magnet attracts I can't spell, I told you guys that, attracts an average of 9 paper clips. Oops, nope, that's not right. I've got to have the correct data. 5. So now I just did a quick check. I said the larger a magnet is, the stronger it is. Okay, that's true. Because a large magnet attracts an average of 14 paper clips, and a small magnet attracts an average of 5 paper clips. So what I've done is I have put this data table into a statement. Now, of course, I want to neaten it up because I know that my teacher is going to grade this on punctuation and grammar, and so I want to make sure that I've got it stated. I conclude that the larger a magnet is, the stronger it is, because a large magnet attracts an average of 14 paper clips, and a small magnet attracts an average of 5 paper clips. Looks like a good conclusion to me.